Hello, my name is Milad Bemani. I'm a PhD candidate at RMIT in Australia, UPC in Barcelona, and I'm also an investigator at the EURECAT organization here in Catalonia. I'm a member of REDI program, which is a joint program between RMIT Australia, European Union Marie Curie Foundation, and several institutions inside Europe. During our thesis, we're going to work on fatigue resistance of additive manufactured parts. Although additive manufacturing has several benefits, but there are several concerns in additive manufacturing components, such as surface roughness, process-induced defects, and anisotropy of the characteristics. These concerns all lower the fatigue limit and lower the fatigue life and promote fatigue mechanisms. That's why fatigue investigations in additive manufacturing parts are of great importance. However, fatigue investigation methods normally are time-consuming, costly, and require several specimens. That's why we want to implement rapid fatigue test methods previously used for raw materials on additive manufacturing parts. And also we will try, if we are lucky, to develop new rapid fatigue test methods. Because we believe that if we can understand the fatigue mechanism in additive manufacturing parts faster, cheaper, and easier, then we can better try to enhance this mechanical property in AM parts. We believe that there are several opportunities for collaboration in printing materials, printing methods, and also required tests. So if you're interested in fatigue resistance, rapid fatigue tests, and also additive manufacturing, please follow us and keep in touch. Thank you.